Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about how to capture the image from the webcam. So basically today we are going to open the webcam and capture the image. Let's see how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the full-fledged code for that one. Okay, and let's add it. Let's comment the previous one. Make sure you have to follow this video, that's very important. In the last video what we have teach you like how to read an image. Okay, so you must know how I have done that, because we have added the package over here that is reading an image in the OpenCV using Python. So you have to watch this. After this you are able to get this. Okay, how to capture an image from the webcam in Python, because we have already installed this package, right? So let's go and just check the next one. Let's comment this and let's add the code over here. The next one, let's uncomment this. Okay, let's add the comment here, because how to capture an image from a webcam. Let's save this. Everything is sorted. Okay, yeah, that's done. Control C. Okay, or we can basically run Python 3. The file name, that is app.py. Enter, and here you can see that the camera is open, right? And now the screen is, you can capture an image. So this image is captured because we have directly put the code like capture the image, and here you can see that image is captured, right? So this is how you can do that, and when I do the quit, it's closed, right? So it is done with the captured image with file. I have saved that image also. Okay, so whenever I try to open that one, and here we go with this one, let's understand the code and I will show you where it is saved. Let's have a look on that one. So this is captured image, and this is the image which I have captured, right? So it is already there. Okay, and let's try to read the code. So first one, we have an import from the CV2, initialize the webcam. So video capture represents the default webcam, that is 0, and change if you have the multiple webcams, right? So it depends upon to you. Okay, next check if the webcam is open successfully or not. So not cap is open, so error unable to access the webcam, right? Capture the frame from the webcam. So capture the frame. Okay, check if the frame is captured. So whenever it opens, it capture the frame, right? Display the captured frame, so it will show the captured frame. And now save that captured image to a file, so it is imwrite, so writing that file into that with the im. Okay, wait for the key press, then close the window and destroy all the windows, then release the webcam. Okay, very easy, very simple. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.